So hey, welcome back guys. Today we'll be creating our new video which will be the animation for Christmas. So you might have seen how the video is going to be in the intro. So let's create the video. Okay. So for creating this project we will be needing a folder in which will be containing an index.html file, style.css file. You can see that both the files are empty. Along with that we will be needing two images, which is santa.png. It is the shadow of a Santa. Along with this tree.png. So both these images, I will be giving you both these images in the description of this video. Okay. So let's move forward in creating our Merry Christmas animation. Okay. Uh, so first of all, in our index.html file, we'll be including the boilerplate. After this, let's give the title as Christmas. Christmas. Okay. Firstly, we'll be creating a container. Okay. So let's also include the CSS file link. This is so here our CSS file have been linked, and let's start our server. Okay. So here you can see everything is blank. So let's start giving our CSS. So firstly, we will be doing the initialization, which is needed in the initially while creating a project. We'll set margin and padding to 0. We'll be including one font family as Lucida. You can include any font family of your choice. And after this, we will be saying box size border box. Okay. So after this, let's give the CSS to our body. Display flex, justify content center, align item center, min height as 100 VH. Okay. Then we'll be giving background color background linear gradient as #820008 #CF and 40. So these are the two shades of red color. So let's see how it is looking. Okay. So here you can see everything. The CSS of body have been applied to our document. Okay. So let's move forward in giving CSS to our container. Container position relative width 100%, height 100 VH, overflow hidden. Now why do we have done overflow hidden? You will be understanding it as we will be moving forward. Okay. Dot container before content empty, position absolute, width 100%, height 200 pixels, background URL tree.png. So here we have included our tree.png. So along with this, we want this image to be in the bottom of our document. So we will be saying here bottom 0. So you might be able to see that the image has stick to the bottom of the page, and z index as 1. That's great. So after this, we'll be creating some more HTML elements. Div.circle. So this circle is going to be the moon over which our Santa image is going to be there. So dot container dot circle, position absolute, top 10%. It will be having some space from top. If we'll be giving top as 10%, left as 15%. It will come in the midway. It will come in between, and transform translate minus 50%. Width 350 pixel, height as 350 pixel, background color as white, border radius 50%. It will create a proper circle. Okay. So this is our moon on which our Santa is going to fly. So moving forward, dot container dot circle b4, content is going to be empty, position absolute, inset minus 200 pixel, minus 300 pixel, background URL Santa.png. So this is how it is looking. So here you can see that our image is getting repeated 2 times. So to avoid this, we have to write background repeat, no repeat. So it will be there here only once. Then moving forward, background position center, background size 600 pixel. Then along with this, we will be also giving animation, as you might have been as you might have saw in the intro of this video, that this Santa is moving forward and backward, is in out. So let's create the animation which we have given here. Keyframes, animate at 0% till 100%. Our animation will be transform, translate y minus 25 pixels, and at 50% transform, translate y 25 pixels. So you can see it is moving up and down. So it is creating a soothing animation. Okay. So let's move forward. Dot container, dot circle, after content, happy Christmas. So here you can see this happy Christmas is visible. Position, absolute, insert, minus 125 pixel, minus 200 pixel, font size, 4em, display flex, justify content center, align item center. So you can see that over these three things it has came in at the center. Color. Okay. So I think so it will be great if you will be giving something, some space from top. Some more will be better. Okay. So this much is looking fine. So let's move forward in creating the snow animation which you saw initially in this video. So here we need to create one more div as snow. So after this, see carefully what we are going to do here. Okay. So create a span tag in that, create a style attribute and give it name as -I11. So why we are writing this? So this will be used for calculation related to the snow animation. Okay. So it is very much simple. Don't stress on this. Just write what I am writing. Okay. So we will be creating almost 50 elements like this. So just go on changing the count of these elements. Okay. So now just copy paste it one more time. Okay. So in this way, create this element from 11 to 25, then after 11 to 28, then after that copy paste these same 28 elements one more time. Okay. So after doing this, move into style.css dot container dot snow. We are giving the CSS to that snow div which we created here. Okay. So we will be giving position as a relative, display as flex, then moving forward snow span. Now we are giving the CSS to that span tag, position as relative, display flex. Okay. Now moving forward, display will not be flex, position will be relative, min width will be 5 pixel as this is going to be our small snow, height will be 5 pixel, background color of snow obviously is going to be white, border radius 50%, margin 0.1 VW, box shadow. So I will directly copy paste the box shadow. You can see it from here. Okay. So here you might be able to see that our snow has been created here. So now moving further, we have to give the animation for this snow which you are able to see here at this place. So animation, the name of our animation is going to be animate snow. Duration will be 15 seconds, linear, and it is going to last for infinite amount of time. Okay. So moving forward, let's create this animation. Keyframes, animate snow. Okay. From 0%, transform, translate y minus 10 VH. Okay. From 100%, transform translate y 100 vh. So here you can see that the animation has started, but it is not looking like a snow, it's just looking like a line which is coming from top to bottom. So to improve our animation, we will be adding animation duration, which will be calc 75 seconds divided by var. Now you might be seeing here the one which we included var I 11 12 13 14 will give this a random reading to this HTML tag. So this reading will be used in calculation uh, for the speed of this animation. Okay, so here you can see that after writing this, it has started looking much more better than the previous one. You can see how the previous one was looking. They were just the lines which were coming from top to bottom. Now after adding this animation duration, it is looking a little bit cool. Okay, so moving forward, we'll be adding one more time to improve the quality of our animation. Dot container dot no span nth child. We will set nth child as even. Okay, so min width will be 10 pixels, height will be 10 pixels. Okay, so every even child will be having the different width, like you can see here. This one is having different width, and the next two that is having this different width. So this is what we have created. Thank you for watching the video, and please do like, comment if you find this video useful.